In this video, we'll be seeing how to navigate through our website. Before that, I would like to thank you everyone trusting for us and getting your course for MRCM Primary April 2026 diet. So first thing what you need to do to navigate through the website, you need to open a browser. If you're using an MacBook or if you're using any Apple devices, we recommend you to use Safari. If you're using any other devices like Microsoft devices you're using, we recommend you to use and Chrome. Even Android devices, we recommend you to use Chrome. Make sure your browser is up to date. Make sure it's not in incognito mode. Do not use an VPN. It will not work if you're using a VPN or incognito mode. Do not use it. Make sure your browser is up to date. So here what I'll be doing is I'll be opening the Google Chrome. So what you're seeing here, I'm opening the Google Chrome. Once I open the Google Chrome, the next thing what I'll be doing here is here in the address bar, I'll be typing the address of the website. The address of the website is draamrcmcourses.com. After that, I press the enter and we go to the home page of our course, that is Dr. A.M. RCM courses. Here in the home page, here, this is the button where I'm encircling my account. Click the my account. Once you click the my account, it will ask you to enter the email address and your passport. So enter the email address and password. If you want, make it remember me and press login. So make sure that you are using your personal device. You're not using any public devices and try to use only one device and personal device itself. So press here login. Once you press your login, it will enter into your my account. In my account, what you can see here, it will show your courses. You have plenty of courses, what you can see here, because I am an admin. What I'm expecting you in your profile, there will be only this what you'll be mentioning. MRCM Primary April 2026, because you have just purchased one course for your April diet primary exam. So click this one, what you're seeing here, as I'm highlighting here, click this one. Once you click this one, it enters into your course. It shows the course content. You can see the anatomy here, physiology here, pharmacology, microbiology, pathology, and evidence-based medicine. So this is a pre-recorded course what you am having. Having said that, the videos will be uploaded in a staggered manner. Initially, you will be provided by the time the course starts, that is on the 7th of November 2025, you will be having the anatomy. Hopefully by next month, that is in the December, you will be having the videos of physiology available. So once they are uploaded, we will be mentioning that in the discussion group. So first thing what I want you to do is join the discussion group. Okay, to join the discussion group, click this join Telegram discussion group. Once you click it, it goes to this page. Once you are in this page, before you click this group link, make sure you have the Telegram app downloaded in your device and you're logged into the Telegram app. After that, only you click the group link. Make sure when you log into the Telegram app, it is the same number what you're using, what you used for the registration on the website. Do not, I'm repeating again, do not use any other number. You'll not be allowed. It is against our policies and we strictly follow our policies, rules, and regulations. So please kindly oblige. Once you click this link, what will happen? It will redirect to the Telegram app what you are installed and logged in and send us the request. At the same time, what I want you to do is on this, for this number, you just send a message, your name and register phone number and make sure your phone number is visible. That helps us to confirm that it is the right person who has sent us the request and we will allow you inside the group within 24 hours. So allow us 24 hours to accept your request and make sure the number is visible and make sure and doubly cross confirm that you have logged into your Telegram app using the same number what you are used on the website. Next thing, you'll be having videos like here, introductory videos you'll be having. In the introduction, you'll be having the videos there. In the central nervous system, I want you to click it here, central nervous system, where it is mentioned, not at the quizzes. If you click at the quizzes, it will just show the quizzes here. Okay, I want you to click here, central nervous system. Once you click here, central nervous system, then only you'll be able to visualize the video. Below that is the quizzes, or you can directly navigate here is the revision or the test mode. So what you can see here in the quizzes, there are two modes. In the quizzes here, there is a revision mode as well as the test mode. The questions in the revision mode and the test mode are the same. So what is the difference? It is the interface which is the difference. let us just click the revision mode and see what is the interference, what we are seeing here. So I'll click here, continue quiz, because I had started it and I was in between and I had gone away. So continue quiz has come. So there will be no time here. Okay, so it is a revision mode. You can take your own sweet time. So you select an option, you read the question, you select an option and you check. Once you click check, it will show, yes, what I've correct selected option is correct or wrong. If wrong, which one is the correct answer and what is the explanation for the same. Let us go with the next question. I select this one and I press click. So now it says what I've selected is wrong. That's why it is highlighting in red. And it says this is the right option. And what is the explanation for the right answer is given here. If you want, you can jump to any question like 26th you want to go. Yes, you can go in that manner. Now let us see what is in the test mode. Once you go into the test mode, you click continue quiz because I started in between. In test mode, what you can see, there is a timer. For 33 questions, you'll be having a time of 33 minutes. So there is a timer which has been set here so that it gives you an exam feeling. At the same point of time, for example, you are in the 10th question. You want to come back later and answer. So you want to mark it. How do you mark it? Review question is here. In your actual exam interface, there will be flag. Instead of flag, the wordings what we are used here is review question. Press review question. You can see a red dot appears here. So you are finished your 33rd question. You mark something 33rd question. You're gone to the 23rd and you mark something. You're still time left. You want to go and revise, see these questions. So click 10th and you're back here. And you can mark whatever you want. Click 4th, you're back here. This basically helps you to flag. Once you flag it and later on you answer the question, it changes. No, I want to still mark it. Yes, you can still mark it. Okay, in that manner. At the end, what you need to do once you finish the exam, before this time limit, you can quiz summary you can go to. After this time limit, it will directly take you to the quiz summary. Now I'm going to the quiz summary. After that, finish quiz. If the time is up, it will finish by itself because time is up, it will not allow you to. So it gives an exam feeling. That's why it is known as test mode. Once you finish, the explanation only will be given at the end. Now it will show my score is only 3%, the average score is 78%. What you want to do? You want to view the questions? Yes. You want to revise and see. It will show only one question I got it right, rest of the things are wrong. I want to see why sixth one question is wrong. Click the sixth one. It will take you directly to the sixth question and show you the option what you have selected was wrong and this was the correct answer. Because I have not selected, it is just showing me this is the correct answer. You left it blank. That's why I'm not showing you what you have selected because you're not selected at all. And it shows the explanation here why this is the correct answer. Next thing is you will be having the mock exam. Mock exam will start appearing here at the end, approximately a month before your exam. Okay, so approximately March end, you will be having the mock exam given to you available so that you can answer. It will be in the completely in the test mode. So it tests you and it helps you to know what are your weaknesses, what are your strengths, and you can work on that. Say absolutely no to the piracy. For that particular reason, you can see here watermarks are there. There are multiple security features, multiple level of security features what we are having. If you take a screenshot, if you do a screen recording, or if you try to download the videos, or if you try to share the login credentials, we do come to know. We do track you down. And once you track it down, once we are know you are sharing the login credentials, or once you try to download any video, if we come to know, you will be terminated from the course for sure. There will be no second chances will be given. So be doubly careful and do not say no to the piracy. I wish you all the best for your exams. Utilize the resources what I have been given. If you utilize these resources as explained in the introductory class, I'm pretty sure everyone will pass the exam. I wish you good luck in your preparations.